As a result of our little method change in the last episode, we have a little problem, and we are visiting the last lesson right here as you can see, but then we still have the next button. Why is this? Let's visit our watch.blade.php and check this out. Remember, the way we know if it's the last series is simply by checking if that next lesson is null, and the same thing with the previous lesson. We're just checking if it's null. But this time around, we've refactored our methods and they would never return null. Therefore, these methods would always show the next and previous buttons no matter the lesson that we are viewing. So let's simply change this. For us to know if this is actually the last lesson, remember, when it's the last lesson, we would return the exact same lesson we are seeing right now. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is checking if the next lesson is not equal to lesson ID. Okay, so if it's equal, it means that this is actually the last lesson. Same thing with the previous. If it's equal, it means this is the first lesson. Because remember, if it's the last lesson, we're returning the same lesson, and if it's the first lesson, we're returning the same lesson, which is the first. Okay, so if we refresh now, and it's not gone away. Okay, so we should be comparing ID, right? So we should compare the IDs, and we should also implement that right here, and this should also say ID. Okay, refresh. There we go. Looks like it's back to normal. We don't have that button. If I visit the first, we also don't have the button. Now I've taken the liberty of doing a little bit of cleanup in application, like the all series. We have an all series page right now, and it simply displays to us all of the series. Okay, so just a page where you can see all the series that are in the application. And then for the video lessons, actually, if you check out our all series and we visit this series and we check out by starting, we actually have all the lessons displayed here. So if you want to take this widget and actually include it on the page for the single series, feel free to do it. It's all up to you. But I want us to actually dive straight into our payments, doing stuff with money in the very next lesson. Thank you so much and see you there.